It's okay, sir.
Your secret food has started many about the
I don't care a whole word. There is everywhere is going on rubbish.
Okay. So it is really that it's a good idea that the government should ask the people, force the people, keep
Yes,
one at home.
yes, yes. It's good idea. Agree with you. Strongly agree with
But
you. Not
at least the
force.
small babies will have to wait, you know.
Yes.
Now we don't know what we are waiting these small babies, maybe capsules, maybe what.
But not only single animal. It should be the pair of anything. Like if you have hens, you should be have hens pair.
If you have 5 hands, so you will buy one
One male hen
one male hen
as well as one as well as if you have one female goat, uh, you also have a male as well. So there is a growth rate and increasing in population of these things. Very high.
It is, I think, not very wise that all the means of earning, we have closed them. If people have more money, they will go to market, they will do more shopping.
Yes.
People want.
Nowadays, people saying that there is germs with thing, but I think there is no germs. If we live with animals, our immune system
Germs are
increase.
there. Germs are there
Yes.
already. Germs are everywhere.
Yes.
Okay? Bacteria are everywhere.
Yes.
In hot climate, in cold climate. Bacteria are source of life.
Yes.
I was now just reading an article on this soil. 1 inch, 1 gram soil, it has billions of the germs in it. That's
Yes.
bacteria.
Such germs are good for our health.
And we are, because of these you see, chemicals, we are killing those bacteria. That means our soil is not a healthy soil.
Yes.
It will not be very productive.
Yes.
Okay? When you see, when some animal dies, some plant, it begins to decay.
Yes.
It's the end of the bacteria they are making their process.
Yes.
So when there's no bacteria, that means everything will go in the wrong direction.
Yes.
So our body is not, we get ill because when there are new kind of germs, new kind of bacteria that enters the body is not trained for that. Body reacts.
Yes.
And when body makes reaction, there's a fever, there's coughing, all these things take place. And after some time, body recovers, you know. That means in a new program, it's something we even use new software to do it. Okay?
Yes.
New applications. Okay? When there's new application, computer doesn't work. Okay? It takes time, it installs, then after that,
Restart, then restart, then
yes,
it's all.
then it works. It is introduced to that particular program.
Yes.
So every bacteria or the viruses are all always harmful. Viruses not useful. But bacteria, our body when we introduce. Now, what is this vaccine? Vaccine is the same kind of virus that we are introducing to the body.
Yes.
Okay, maybe that's dead or half dead or whatever it is. So body is now, if they say you will get slight fever, it is reaction of the body. Body says, where it is new thing has come. So it makes adjustment now. Then it creates
Yeah.
antibiotics.
Simple things like that.
Antibodies.
If you got snake bite, the treatment of also snakes poison. So that's why everything, the reaction and action is in one thing only.
Yeah.
You can find uh, illness as well as the recovery from same thing.
Then another thing that I am also very much against the factories
Yes, I am
and
on.
the slaughters. We see that they slaughterhouse where they take the animals and they slaughter them every day. Thousands of animals are slaughtered and sold there. And healthy, unhealthy, all the animals are
Yes,
slaughtered.
don't care healthy or unhealthy.
So I think it should, if I become the prime minister, I will ban this. Okay?
Also, brother,
Every butcher should slaughter the animal okay, in the area,
Yes.
in the local area. So people should see what the animal is being slaughtered. Government is just collecting the tax.
Tax.
So
Exactly.
from this slaughter of government, maybe collecting 100 rupees or 1,000 rupees or 500 rupees per animal, maybe government gets a bit. So this is a wrong practice, and for that, from the illegal country, government is you see, what to say, putting the life in danger of the citizens.
And in the other hand, maybe there is no takbir, when
Most
it's like,
clear.
Some people don't do this.
and
Yes.
maybe there are some people who are not Muslim, even that.
Yes.
So how can we eat that things?
We didn't want to have a target.
Yeah.
So that will be haram for us.
That is,
Yeah.
that is my objective. That is
Yes.
wrong. The animal that is slaughtered in front of you, okay, you witness it, you see it, then you are more confident to eat it.
Yes.
Okay? So one need to slaughter one or two animals every day. Okay. So those who you see hens are being in the evening to गाड़ी आती है सारे से यहाँ पर कभी ले जाती है.
Yes.
Okay. And the supply of these animals is also made there. And the animals which are seen locally based, those are the healthy animals. Okay. And then I give the idea that every house should have one animal, okay,
One pair of hands.
one pair of animals. Okay, even single is also okay. So then
We can't use single animals. If we have male hen,
yes,
what will he done? Nothing. If we have female and male, then we can get egg from
they
them.
will make a family and they will ask you out of the house.
No,
Right? You can control
we can control them.
when increase their family.
Population planning. Okay.
Yes.
But this is a great business.
In other hand, if you think about rather than business, there is also healthy activity for us.
Yeah. Now we are throwing shoppers on the road, you see apples on the road. What is the animal doing a little bit making out of it? But it doesn't make a difference.
Yeah.
It's already very up here with the sound of it. So there is these the what to say our soil will be a healthy soil. You will get more vegetables, more flowers, more beautiful things. Okay, and it will be a source of income in many ways.
Yes.
And it will be a source of health for it. No doubt there are some busy areas relating to those animals, but you will get used to that. Everybody in the village is not dying because of the animals.
Yes.
Okay.
Instead of dogs, like these days, the lead class have dogs with them, cats with them, and
Birds, cats,
like these things. If they have halal animals with them, so I don't think so. There is any
haram
problem.
animal is no problem. Halal animal is problem.
Yes.
So this should be एक बकरा हो, ठीक है, सबके मानने वाला कुछ और नहीं करते हैं. So normally, these animals also sometimes they give it alarm us. They give us alarm if there is some.
Yes.
Yeah, dog. I just
No,
described.
other animals also.
We have big dogs, or big ducks. White ducks. There are
Yes, yes.
Come on.
if any unauthorized person entered in our valley, they come to us, come to him and attack the person.
Run away.
Yes, run away, and they are not stop crying until the person go outside.
Yes, this is, these birds are not keep for useful and we keep them. And it should be very necessary, compulsory that each and every house should have one.
So animals are good for us. Animals are good for us.
Good for us, okay? So which animals have you ever, in the past, people used to ride on horses, camels.
Camels as well as elephants.
Have you ever tried rhythm on an
I only ride horse.
horse?
but not a, I am good rider, but only in slow speed.
If there's a good horse, not run
Yes, yes, there was
Yeah,
good.
no.
Yes,
Okay.
I am showing you picture. Uh, because I like these things which are really I don't know where it is. It was
In our village, every year the Nezabazi have. So
Fair.
yes, a fair. Yes. So all men go there and see the Nezabazi, and that's very incredible. Yes. And also kabaddi, natural kabaddi, not like on TV. Real kabaddi of like slapping, like catching ball. Yes, yes. That is the natural kabaddi. Nowadays they are showing to cross the line. That is not kabaddi. That the kabaddi to enjoy the game. Feel the natural thing that we have
Okay, you have your parrots. How long have you been having them?
from 1 year.
1 year.
Yes.
They are not giving babies.
Yes.
They are not
Yes, I
giving-
see after 1 week or 2 weeks, but they have no. I don't know why. Because
They
I
don't give eggs.
no
Why? The cage is small.
no. They are equal in ages. One is female and one is male.
Maybe one is both are male, both are female.
No, no. Both are. One is male and one is female.
Every 3 months they give new babies.
Yes, they give. But I don't know why. I just
Have you ever talked to someone that why?
yes, I have
Do you
talked
keep
to.
shifting the cage from one place to another?
Yes, in the winter, I just had them from our room to outside for the shining of sun.
Oh, very good. Is it you sitting on one?
uh, there was the backside of our village near to the river Ravi river. There is it
Why
was.
is it gentleman carrying the gun?
Because there is an area, then they needs guns from they want to save themselves from the thieves.
Is there any rivalry in the two guns?
No, no, not Dushmani.
Only just passing out.
For saving ourselves if thieves comes or
From because there is no wall outside.
no protection, no
Bear
protection.
type. So from long people look at.
Yes,
Yes, yes, yes.
that type.
So, we were talking about why these birds are not busy breeding.
I don't know.
You keep shifting every day your cage from one place to another.
Then they will be.
Yes, I think this is when you keep shifting, so you don't see breed. If you keep them in one place,
Yes.
then they are going to.
I will be try. Today I will go.
We also have to can see a pair of these birds, and after that we want to see 4, 5, and in every time the 2, 3 new birds we have.
You have
Yes, and we have in 1 or 2 months, 1 month.
in 1 month.
In 1 month, a new baby is you see that grows up and it begins to fly. And
But I have lost.
yeah. Anyway, there were so many. When a few months back, I have not seen them. You will see 11 or 12 these many. And I was telling them to put them in different stages. Okay, don't put them all. And they also start fighting as well. This is also, they make a lot of fight, okay, because of their breeding place. Which is part of them. That is my place and their place. So, and at the same time, they make a lot of noise as well.
Yes.
They make a lot of noise.
No, they They don't make a lot of noise. Little bit.
But when they're babies, the babies make a lot of noise. When they are hungry, when they find a they make a lot of noise.
Yes.
Okay. So we have those three animals,
Really?
and four hens, one
In
cock.
your home nowadays.
So
So your home in Barrier Town?
not in very town, there is smaller one. Smaller one.
Okay.
So there are some open areas.
Um,
In the morning, we do walking and we take to see feeding them.
have you had the butterflies in a box or in a room?
Birds,
You say butterflies.
not butterfly, birds.
Oh.
Birds. They keep them in home, in the cage.
In a cage.
And we don't easily shift them from place to place. Cages in the room sometimes. When it is winter, we keep it easy in the sunshine. And if it is on one place, then we give more notice. They will be able to communicate with the people they are not even about the video. And previously we also had the pair of rabbits. Rabbits are also
Yeah,
That's
that's also a source of meat.
meat.
And as well as also they are looking very pretty, you know.
Pretty, yes. They are looking very pretty.
But we need some precautions. We need some, you know, some things like that because they are deep and deep and
Yeah, they make it
yes,
more.
yes. If we have a concrete wall and concrete basement for them, and after that we put, you know, the
Put it out.
yes. So that's good.
And they're also very friendly. Sometimes okay, but they die very friendly.
They died?
Yes, you see, sometimes they were attacked by dogs.
Or are also attacked by cats.
Cats are sometimes they also they select away the baby rabbits.
In the past, in our home, there were a lot of cows and buffaloes, but my grandfather sold them because there was not good conditions. So nowadays we have no cows and buffaloes, but my father want to buy a cow. Inshallah, we will be able to make a new Haveli, inshallah.
So we should also animals are we should keep animals.
Yeah.
But the thing is that animals are disappearing because of the air pollution. You see, we don't see many birds flying in the air. In the past, there were so many birds.
The which thing is most affected to the birds? That is 3G, 4G rays.
Yes, these rays are very dangerous for them.
Even that, an Indian movie on this.
Oh,
On the
name was
I can't remember.
Akshay Kumar. Maybe.
Yes. Panchraj, like this, that was name. But very good movie on that because in this movie, in that movie, they are showing that due to our 3G, 4G services, we lost our, you know, birds like parrots, like sparrows, like pigeons. These rays,
Peacock.
yes,
Yes,
as well.
every bird.
The rays affect their sensor because
Their mind.
they have sensor in their minds, in their heads, which direct them. Uh, yes, due to these sensors, they are going that areas in season. They are change different areas.
The thousands of kilometers, they
Yes.
fly thousands of kilometers.
Yes,
They belong to the Pune, the black birds. They come from Siberia.
oh,
Siberia is on the other side of China, on the
yes,
south of China. So when it's very cold there, they come here to India, Pakistan,
yes.
and there they make out sometimes, and then you see that thousands of kilometers they keep flying.
Yes, but these rays affect them and they can't survive more during flying when they, you know, distract, detract. So they mostly the birds are dying.
This is very dangerous.
So
It is also because there is this poisonous gases in the air at home.
yes,
Yes,
as well.
hydrogen, nitrogen, and other gases.
Yes, they are
Well,
not healthy.
if any type of house is painted, the gas which releases from spray, that are also harmful for birds.
Yeah. And these birds, they keep, they travel longer.
Yes, their generation is.
Do you think that there should be programs, government should make programs, government should train the people to protect the birds, keep the birds?
Yes, it's important. They should have to learn every people to save birds and have birds and cows, buffaloes. As you said that before, okay, every animal, one pair of animal.
That every house should be one.
Should have one pair of animal.
So it is also it's a kind of training, you see.
Yes.
In the past, you see, we had this year a couple of you see, goats in our home.
If we have every pair of animal in our house, then we will see after 10 year and 15 year there will be more.
More.
If one female and one male hen, after 2 years we will be see there are a lot of five or maybe 10.
Yeah.
If we have one female cow, one female male cow, then after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, we will be see there they will be increasing day by day. That's why it's very
We
important.
have four hens,
Yes.
and they give as many eggs that they are more than our needs.
Yes.
And we are three members of the family, and they give as many eggs. We don't need eat egg every day, but all the time the eggs. Sometimes we give the eggs to
They give eggs every day.
almost two, three eggs
Every day, 2, 3.
Every hen they egg, I think, one egg per day.
And there are four hens.
So four hens, four eggs per day.
That's a good.
Normally, if one is missing, taking a break, two, three,
So even that, if you have only one hen in your home and she give eggs, you don't need go to outside to get
Yeah.
eggs because the farming head of eggs are not have more protein and more energy.
not very healthy.
Yes,
Maybe they have the protein, but not healthy.
but not.
One of my family used to come here. He come to some company that provides feed for different animals, cows, and hens as well in the poultry farms. I was just casually, I was talking that the hens might have to their not good, they are around or he was telling me, sir, these hens they have more protein. He started protein. And they're very healthy, they have more proteins, this. Actually, even it's not that we only look to the protein only, but there is also halal and haram is also. This is a cheap one, not cheap enough. And you have candidates that it can become for hand.
Yes.
So it kind of they give they feed some kind of poisonous food poison they give it. And the bird all the time they feel very hungry. Okay. Also bird drinks water and you see keeps eating all the time. Okay. And they have to with the stick they have to run the chicks to make their running. Okay, otherwise you see they will keep sitting in one place.
Yes, yeah.
Yes, yes.
They have to dry the chicks.
Their feeds are not good.
The feed is not enough. Maybe there is blood and I don't know what they are doing.
Their feet are making of their wings, of their own wings.
So this is not halal process. It's a halal process. And but people don't care about it.
They are eating and enjoying.
और सुविधा लोग को भी पड़ी है वो एक के लिए यहाँ पे इसमें also protect and in Europe there are the hands are there but I think the feed is not this type of dirty feed that we are giving.
Yes, in villages, the hen eat from land they
They grain, you see, they have their own activity. They collect activities, so they move. And
every day they see on the ground and eat from like this.
Yes. So this is, there was also previously an idea was coming ostrich farming.
Yes, ostrich.
Uh,
Yes, ostrich.
I don't know about.
Ostrich is a big important.
Yes, Shutarmurg.
Oh yes, I that are also a great thing. My cousin,
Exactly.
Mr. Abbas, uh, nowadays I think he's in China. Before 4 to 5 years ago,
In our
he
village.
started that business.
He is in our
Yes,
village now.
ostrich in our village as well as near to my home. So, and I also eat the meat of ostrich. That was really delicious. But nowadays there is no. And I get to know about that, but I am not sure about that. Some people in previous age, before this, decade or this, you know, this array, some people are also riding on horse race.
Yeah. Ah.
Because
I didn't know ostrich.
yes,
Yes.
in
I'm very shocked how it's possible.
Basically, that is not easy.
In-
Easy one. Okay.
in
Yeah, sometimes the people they I have
In
seen
movies,
No,
in
no.
a movie, I have seen this, but in reality, I can't imagine how it's possible.
it can be possible in
maybe
70s,
when
60s, yeah,
maybe when
50s.
you raise babies, okay, when you take small babies and you keep them feeding and they become familiar and when they grow up they become
The
familiar.
ostrich eat concrete. They eat hard food.
Even that concrete pieces, small concrete
They
pieces.
have to eat,
They need it.
and
Yes.
their stomach also get
One of
digested.
ostrich uh, get the mobile of worker working there and
Eat it,
eat it.
and
Maybe a bone on inside.
Yeah,
hello. It's ostrich. Yeah.
it's topic of ostrich.
I am very hungry. Okay.
I also see the egg of ostrich like this one.
So
Big.
how much is one big ostrich?
In price?
Yes.
I think the small baby is near to 10 to 20,000.
And big maybe 50 to 50 above.
Yes, the meat of ostrich is near to 3,000, 4,000 per kg. Even that, maybe it's more than it
Why is that much expensive?
because there is shortage. Demand and supplies.
Yes.
There is.
Is there any medical health effect? So is it that if one man a person gets very strong when he eats the meat?
Really, I don't know, but I think not in fact, but I think maybe there is a good for our health if we eat after a month, after a week, or before after 2 3 months. In once we eat the meat of ostrich, we can get some extraordinary immune system.
Actually, I was also more dangerous thing than that. In Europe, they were also trying to sell the meat of this uh, crocodile.
Oh my God.
Crocodile meat.
In Pakistan?
No, not maybe. I'm not sure about because back to road can be anywhere. We don't know. We are not sure for that. But in Europe, they think they were trying with that new type of meat and the crocodile. So there are farms of crocodile farms. Okay, they were raising crocodiles. Okay, on the farms and then they were like meat on that.
Sir, I think that's enough today. We have to go now.
All right. What time is time?
Sir, it's
5 p.m.
5 p.m.
All right. See you. See you
Tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow
Inshallah.
is Thursday.
Sir, yes, sir.
I think today is
Today is Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Tomorrow